Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how to download and install iOS 16.2 public beta 4. First of all, subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get new tech videos. Open the setting app on your iPhone, scroll down, tap Journal, tap About, check for old version. Then go back home page, open the Safari app on your iPhone, click on search bar, type beta.apple.com, tap Go, scroll down, tap Sign up, tap Continue with password, enter your passcode, then wait for few seconds, scroll down, tap Enroll your iOS device, scroll down, tap Downloaded profile, tap Allow, tap Close, then go back home page, open the setting app on your iPhone, tap Profile Downloaded, tap Install, enter your passcode, install, tap Not Now, then go back Journal page, tap Software Update, check for software update. iOS 16.2 public beta 4 is available. Tap download and install to upgrade the iOS. Thanks for watching this video.